Hey guys. Well, I guess myself and Wayne have a problem. We found another boat for sale, another tornado, and 12 hours of driving yesterday, and here it is in the boatyard. This is how you work on simplification. But looking for some help or knowledge or anything you guys might have or know. Here's our setup. These are the beach wheels. Not sure if anyone might recognize these home-built jobbers here, but the guy that the boat was bought from has owned it for a very long time. Probably, he didn't even really know, 30 years. Used to sail it out of the Dunedin Causeway. He didn't know the boat name. Or anything like that, but you know, here it is. It's a little crusty. She needs some love. She's definitely had some repairs over the years. Different style from the other two tornadoes on property here. It's probably had some repairs. That's why these guys are here. That's what I'm imagining. But he basically said he ripped around on this thing, sailing, having a good old time around the Tampa Bay area, and then put the boat away and moved to Central Florida, and there it sat in his barn for 30 years, and it was a really, really cool barn. All kinds of really cool things in there. But here it is. He packed the bearings on the trailer. We had one blowout on the way home, but that happened at the gas station, so that was fine. Any tips on drying out the hulls? There was a little teeny tiny bit of water in there. That's different. The crossbars are different than the other boats. We're going to replace the lines really and put it in the water, see what it does before we really do much of anything to it. So, Sailmakers Florida 475. That's the sails that we have for the boat that say 475. We don't know if those are original. Gotta do a little mouse repair there. And then there's another one, that's UK sails. And then there's this one here, Northern Sails. It says Tornado Jib. That held the set 643. I'll get to the stamps here in a second, but it's got these wood rudders. Definitely a different style than the other boats that we have on property here. If anyone recognizes any of this or has insight, comments, questions, insults, jokes, we take them. But here's all I found written on the sails. 83 US 643. Wait a minute. Okay, so this jib goes with the other sail, not the 475. Okay, that makes sense. So, taking a look at the boat here. Some wavy spots right there. And the whole boat seems kind of fragile. You know, it's definitely had some repairs, but it didn't seem soft. It's kind of hard to see. But see, it's a little wavy there, but not too worried about it. Does not look like the boat was originally this color blue, and the reason I say that is inside the hulls, maybe hard to see. There's blue inside there. More of a teal. I have no idea though.